Welcome to Aris Kalvi, 10th Standard, Social Science, Geography, Chapter 1, Material, India Location, Relief and Drainage. Give reason. First one, Himalayas are called young fold mountains. Answer. The Himalayas are called young fold mountains because they have been formed only a few million years ago. And they were formed because of the folding of the Earth's crust due to tectonic activity. North Indian rivers are perennial. Answer. The North Indian rivers originate from the snow-covered mountains of Himalayas. They get water from the melting of snow from the peaks and also from monsoons. Third one, South Indian rivers are east flowing. Answer. Most of the South Indian rivers originate from the Western Ghats. Moreover, the topography of South India slopes towards east, so the South Indian rivers are east flowing. Distinguish between the following. First one, Himalayas are Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers. Originate from Himalayas, originate from Western Ghats. Long and wide, short and narrow. Perennial in nature, non-perennial in nature. Unsuitable for hydropower generation, suitable for hydropower generation. Rivers Indus, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats. It forms the western edge of the Deccan Plateau. It forms the eastern edge of the Deccan Plateau. It runs parallel to the Arabian Sea coast. It runs parallel to the Bay of Bengal. The northern part of this range is called as Sahyadris. It is also called as Purvadri. It is a continuous range. It is not a continuous range. Third one, West Coastal Plains and Eastern Coastal Plains. Western Coastal Plain, Eastern Coastal Plains. It lies between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. It lies between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. It extends from Rann of Kutch in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. It extends from the delta region of West Bengal in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. This plain is divided into Konkan coast, Kanara coast and Malabar coast. This plain is divided into northern Sircars and Coromandel coast. Answer in brief. First one, name the neighboring countries of India. Answer. Northwest, Pakistan, Afghanistan. North, China, Nepal and Bhutan. East, Bangladesh and Myanmar. South, Sri Lanka. Second one, give the importance of IST. Answer. The longitudinal difference between east-west extent of India is about 30 degrees. In order to avoid these differences, Indian Standard Time is calculated. The local time of the central meridian of India is the standard time of India. India's central meridian is 82 degrees 30 minutes in longitude. It passes through Mirzapur and roughly bisects the country in terms of longitude. The IST is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. Third one, write a short note on Deccan Plateau. Answer. Deccan Plateau is the largest plateau in India. The shape of this plateau is roughly triangular. It is bounded by Western Ghats in the west, Eastern Ghats in the east, and Satpura Range in the north. The area of this plateau is about 7 lakh square kilometers. Its height ranges from 500 to 1000 meters above sea level. Fourth one, state the west flowing rivers of India. Answer: Narmada, Tapti, Mahi, and Sabarmati are the west flowing rivers of India. Fifth one, write a brief note on the island group of Lakshadweep. Answer: Lakshadweep is a small group of coral islands located off the west coast of India. It covers an area of 32 square kilometers. Kavaratti is its administrative capital. The uninhabited pit island of this group has a bird sanctuary. Earlier, it had three divisions, namely Lakshadweep, Minicoy, and Amindivi. It was renamed as Lakshadweep in 1973. Answer in detail. First one, explain the divisions of the Northern Mountains and its importance to India. Answer: Northern Mountains consist of the youngest and the loftiest mountain chains in the world. It stretches for a distance of 2,500 kilometers. The term Himalaya is derived from Sanskrit. It means at the abode of snow. The major divisions of the northern mountains are the Trans-Himalayas, Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, or Purvanchal Hills. The Trans-Himalayas. It lies to the north of the Great Himalayan Range. It lies in Jammu and Kashmir and Tibetan Plateau. It is also known as Western Himalayas or Tibetan Himalayas. The prominent ranges of these Trans-Himalayas are Jaskar, Ladakh, Kailash, and Karakoram. The Himalayas. It is a mountain. It consists of many ranges. The main divisions of the Himalayas are the Great Himalayas or Himadri, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, the Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. The Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The Greater Himalayas are about 25 km wide. Its average height is about 6,000 meters. Almost all the lofty peaks of the Himalayas are located in this range. The notable ones are the Mount Everest, 8,848 meters, and Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters. This range is the most continuous of all ranges. It is a region of permanent snow cover. It has many glaciers. Gangotri, Yamunotri, and Saichen are some of them. The Lesser Himalayas are Himachal. It is the middle range of Himalayas. Height of this range varies from 3,700 to 4,500 meters. Its width varies up to 80 kilometers. Major hill stations of the Himalayas are located in this range. Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Almora, Raniket, and Darjeeling are the familiar ones. The Outer Himalayas are Shivalik. The Shivaliks extend from Jammu and Kashmir to Assam. The altitude varying between 900 and 1,100 meters. Average elevation of this range is 1,000 meters. The width of Shivalik varies from 10 km in the east to 50 km in the west. It is the most discontinuous range. The Eastern Himalayas are Purvanchal Hills. They are eastern offshoots of Himalayas. It extends in the northeastern states of India. Dafla Hills, Abor Hills, Mishmi Hills, Patkai Boom Hills, Naga Hills, Manipur Hills, Mizo Hills, Tripura Hills, Migir Hills, Garo Hills, Khasi Hills, and Jainti Hills are some of the hills. These hills are collectively known as Purvanchal Hills. Importance of Himalayas. Himalayas blocks southwest monsoon wind. It causes heavy rainfall to North India. It forms a natural barrier to the subcontinent. It is the source for many perennial rivers like Indus, Ganges, Brahmaputra, etc. It provides raw material for many forest-based industries. It prevents the cold winds blowing from the Central Asia. It protects India from severe cold. The Himalayas are renowned for the rich biodiversity. Second one, give an account on the major peninsular rivers of India. Answer. The rivers in South India are called peninsular rivers. Most of these rivers originate from the Western Ghats. These are seasonal rivers, non-perennial. Based on the direction of flow, the peninsular rivers are divided into the west-flowing rivers, east-flowing rivers. West-flowing rivers, Narmada. This river rises in Amarkandak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. It flows for a distance of about 1,312 km. It covers an area of 98,796 square km. It is the largest among the west-flowing rivers of peninsular India. Its principal tributaries are Barhaner, Halon, Heran, Banjar, Dudi, Shakar, Tawa, Barna, and Kolar. Tapti. The Tapti is one of the major rivers of peninsular India. Its length is about 724 km. It covers an area of 65,145 square km. The major tributaries are Vaki, Gomai, Arnavadi, Aner, Nesu, Bure, Panjra, and Bori. It outfalls in the Arabian Sea through the Gulf of Cambay. East-flowing rivers, Mahanadi. The river Mahanadi originates near Sihava in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh and flows through Odisha. Its length is 851 km. All these tributaries of the delta of Mahanadi. All these tributaries form the delta of Mahanadi. It is one of the largest delta in India. The Mahanadi empties its water in Bay of Bengal. Godavari. Godavari is the longest river, 1,465 km. It covers an area of 3.13 lakh square km among the peninsular rivers. It is also called Vriddha Ganga. The river near Rajamundry gets divided into two channels called Vasistha and Gaudami. It forms one of the largest deltas in India. Kolleru, a freshwater lake, is located in the deltaic region of Godavari. Krishna. Its length is 1,400 km. It covers an area of 2.58 lakh square km. It is the second longest peninsular river. Bhima, Pedavagu, Musi, Koyna, and Tungabhadra are the major tributaries of this river. It also flows through Andhra Pradesh and joins in Bay of Bengal at Hamasala Devi. Kaveri. The river Kaveri originates at Talakaveri, Kudagai Hills of Karnataka. Its length is 800 km. The river Kaveri is called Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of South. The Kaveri breaks at Srirangam with two channels, river Kolirun and Kaveri. At last it empties into the Bay of Bengal at Pumbuhar. Third one, give a detailed account on the basin of Ganga. The Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. It extends over an area of 8,61,404 square km. The Ganga plain is the most densely populated place in India, and many towns are developed on the banks of this river. The river originates at Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarkasi district of Uttarakhand state at an elevation of 7,010 meters. The length of the river Ganga is about 2,525 kilometers. Its major tributaries from the north are Gomdi, Gandak, Kosi, and Gagra, and from south are Yamuna, the largest tributary of Ganga, San, Chambal, etc. The river Ganga is known as the river Padma in Bangladesh. The combined river of Ganga and Brahmaputra creates the world's largest delta, known as Sundarbans, in Bangladesh before joining the Bay of Bengal. Thank you.